So hello everyone. I welcome you all. So today we have Shruti with us. Hello Shruti. Yeah, we are not audible. Shruti.
Hi.
Yeah, hi Shruti. So Shruti is going to share her journey today with us. So first of all, congratulations on your achievement, Shruti. Yes. So, can you take us through your journey from being a student at Datamites and currently working as an analyst at Cognizant, right? So, can you please take us through your journey?
I completed my bachelor's in computer application. So I was planning to go abroad and do my master's there. But then I thought having an experience would benefit a little more. So that's where I came about Datamites and I joined there. Then during internship also, coding, I thought it's a bit difficult, but with Menda's help and my group members' help, I gained knowledge in that. And I applied for Cognizant and I got it.
Wonderful about that, Shruti. So, how did you enjoy learning at Datamites and how were the sessions? If you can recollect.
It was a positive learning experience. Like the mentors were so cooperative. The learning experience was also good. They provided LMS for if we are not attending the classes, they provide LMS, that is recorded classes. So it was a positive experience for me.
Great. So, when you completed your course at Datamites, Shruti?
I joined on July 22nd and completed by March last 2024.
2024. Wonderful. All right. So now we are talking about the session. So were you having any prior experience related to programming? So you had done CDS course or CDA course over here?
CDS.
CDS, right? So were you having any prior experience of programming, or were you having any difficulty in covering the Python topic during your learning period?
No, I don't have any prior experience. It's first time I'm learning Python from Datamite itself through this course. And as I said earlier, I had some difficulties in coding starting, but eventually I managed to learn it.
Wonderful. So, was there any study pattern you've had followed during your learning period, Shruti? If you can tell us about that.
I used to do lecture notes and practice it from my PG itself. Then, if I had any doubts, I used to go for mentor's help like that.
Wonderful. So, tell us about your, you could say, the sessions. Python, you found a little easier because of the mentor's help, and then the statistics, machine learning, correct, the SQL. How was the experience of learning those topics?
Python and machine learning, I was new to these topics. And once I joined here, I also had a friend, and she encouraged me into this course and all. First, I went through the LMS portal and learned the Mr. topics and asked for help from mentors. Like that, I got it.
Wonderful. So once we completed the phase two, you could say the sessions, we went to the internship, right, phase where we got our projects. So if you can recollect about the internship experience, what kind of projects you did over here?
First, I had 4 capstone projects and 1 client project, and 4 projects were done within few months, and it was great. Like they provided the data set for us to do the project, and we were in 4 members in our internship group, and yeah, it was good. If we had any queries in between, they provided the mentors portal to ask about that.
Okay, wonderful. So anything related to projects was asked during your interviews, you could tell us about that, Shruti. Any projects information or anything regarding that during interview, any questions?
So the main thing they asked about in the interview is my projects, and I hope the only thing that made me into this job is my projects. They were so happy that I did this much projects, and that's what they wanted to this job. So doing this internship projects made me so good in to get this job.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, apart from the, you could say project questions, any particular questions related to programming or anything, if you remember, related to any data set was given, tell the insights about that data set. Any kind of questions like this were asked?
No, they just asked about the more questions was from MySQL, and they also asked if I had any other certifications like Power BI, machine learning, or any other certification. So I also had that. Yeah, that's it. They didn't ask any much about machine learning or something.
So, how many rounds interviews you took to get this job, Shruti?
I had 2 rounds. First was an HR interview round. Then I selected and go for a technical round.
Wonderful. So how much time they took for interview? Or you could say technical round, how much time was there? Around 1 hour, half an hour?
It's just half an hour with some SQL questions and all.
Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so now coming to internship, sorry, the interviews we are talking about. So you must have applied for different portals, correct, in order to get the call. So can you tell us about any particular, right? You can say the portal from where you got maximum interview calls.
First of all, after completing my internship and everything from Datamites, I turned to do a better resume. I built a good one. It is friendly resume. Then I started applying in different job portals like LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, and all. And for this job, I applied on Superset, and from there I got this job.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, any tips you want to give to our listeners to how we can get maximum interview calls?
I'm not a great person to give tips and all, but I would say that keep an ATS friendly resume and don't waste time and do so as much as projects we could do. That's where we can get so many interview calls and all. That's it.
Wonderful, wonderful, Shruti. So now coming to your day-to-day job, what do you do as an analyst in your company? What is your day-to-day work as an analyst in Cognizant?
I placed as an analyst in Cognizant, and I will be joining from 22nd, like Thursday. I'm not sure how it will be on my first day. Then after joining, only I can
You're
know.
yet to join.
Yeah,
Wonderful, wonderful. So congratulations for that. So where you will be joining in Bangalore itself or anywhere else in the country you will
the
be
training is
joining?
in Pune. Training is in Pune. After that, I will be going to Chennai.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right. So, as we all know that SQL is very important, and you said that SQL questions were asked during interview. So, what do you think any other important skill we should master in order to get the right job for analyst or data scientist?
Me, SQL questions and some machine learning problems were asked. And in technical round also, they asked about my projects and some insight or improvements I can do in project. What will be that and all. So doing projects and internships other than current roles can make a little more different in our this.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So any particular, any other tip you want to give for our listeners so that they can do the preparation and as a data scientist or data analyst, what they should be good at, you could say, in the current scenario?
Give or build a ATS friendly resume. That's the main point. Then do projects and keep learning. That's what I'm saying.
All right, wonderful, wonderful. So we can see some questions are coming here from our listeners. The first question is coming from YouTube and is asking if you are an online or an offline student of Data Minds.
I'm an offline batch.
Offline batch. So in Bangalore or any other city you have?
In Bangalore,
Bangalore.
it's Bangalore.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right, so we have few more questions. Listeners, please use Q&A or chat or comment section to drop questions to Shruti. Shruti is here to answer your questions. So we have one question. What questions were asked in interview?
They asked basically more questions were from SQL and my projects, what I did during my internships and my course. And also they asked projects from my bachelor's. Yeah, that's what they asked.
Okay, so main important thing is your resume, correct? So whatever you put in your resume, they will be asking more questions about that. Wonderful, wonderful, Shruti. So one more question is coming. Tell us about how did you approach in searching job?
First, make a ATS friendly resume, then log in as many as portals you can give, then keep applying. That's what I'm saying. Just keep applying and don't give up on just if we have to apply for a few months, then it's okay. Just keep applying and don't give up.
Correct, correct. Absolutely good suggestion from Shruti, because now it's always important that you keep on applying for maximum companies through different portals. That is very important. Wonderful, wonderful, Shruti. So one more question is there. How can we prepare during our study time? So they want suggestions for that.
I kept lecture notes from my classes. Then after came to my PG, I used to do that along with the LMS portal. So that's what I do.
Wonderful. So along with the notes given by mentors, so you have also prepared your own notes. That's wonderful, Shruti. And LMS is the most important, you could say, the part which we need to refer in order to clear all our doubts and preparation. Wonderful, Shruti. Okay, so yes, any more questions for us, team, from any other portal? Please let us know. Shruti is here for answering the questions for us. Okay, Shruti, so you are currently in Bangalore or you have already left for Pune, you said, right? Training is going.
No, I'm in my hometown. It's in Kochi. Tomorrow I will be going to Pune.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right. Fine. So, we cannot see any more questions from our team as well. From any more students. Please, students, if you have any doubts, please drop the questions for us in the Q&A. Yes. All right. Okay, so we don't have any more questions. So thank you so much, Shruti, for your time. It was so insightful, and everyone got lots of information from you. And thank you so much from your busy schedule, since you are preparing to leave for your training. You took time and shared your insights with all of us. So that will definitely help our learners, right, to prepare for their interviews as well. So once again, congratulations and for your achievement, and your journey is really inspiring, and I hope it will help others as well. So
Thank you
thank
so much. Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye.